I'm often asked if you can wear loafers with suits. And if you can, what kind of loafers should you be wearing with them? Let's talk about it. Intro! You should come rolling my Yo, what up? My name is Vladimir Riché from chaseandrider.com. In today's video, we're going to talk about what's better, penny loafers or tassel loafers. So yeah, one question that I get a ton, man. Actually, just this past Saturday, I was teaching a masterclass and somebody asked if you could wear loafers with suits. That's a good question because I know a lot of guys feel strongly about it one way or the other. And just to give you a bit of a background, back when I was starting my menswear journey, before I really fully embraced classic menswear, I wasn't the loafers with suit guy at all. To me, you couldn't wear loafers with a suit. But at the same time back then, I was only wearing 4-season suits. I wasn't really into seasonal and more casual suits yet. So yeah, let's talk about it, man. I definitely feel like loafers can be worn with suits. I mean, it's not even a question. I've seen it done really well countless of times. I've done it. The way that you have to do it, though, the suit has to be somewhat casual. To me, that's the only way that it really works. Like, I wouldn't recommend a worsted suit with loafers, although I've seen that done too. I just feel like if you are going to be wearing loafers, preferably you want to wear them with a more casual suit. What's a more casual suit? So a more casual suit is usually anything that's not worsted, let's say. Like 90% of the time, I'm in a casual suit, man. By casual, it could be flannel and tweed in the fall and winter, or it could be seersucker, it could be linen, cotton, in the spring and summer. So those suits have more texture to them. And to me, those work a lot better with loafers than, let's say, a worsted suit. I don't think there's anything wrong with it at all. And I feel like more guys should definitely embrace that look. A couple things you definitely want to do though when you're doing that look. I think it looks a lot better when the legs of the trousers are wider. Well, that goes without saying anyway. I always feel that the trousers leg should be wider, but I think even more so with loafers, it looks a lot better when that's the case. And also, you don't want the trousers to be too long when you're wearing loafers because you definitely want the loafers to show. So those are two things I would really say that you have to look out for. Personally, I'm more of a suede loafers guy. At this time, I don't currently own any regular leather loafers, although I'm sure eventually I'll get some. But right now, all my loafers happen to be suede. I just feel like with the casual nature of a loafer, with it being in suede, it's like a match made in heaven, But what kind of loafers should one get? That's another really good question, man. I've always been more of a tassel loafers guy. But whenever I talk about tassel loafers, I usually have guys in my mention, guys who I respect, saying that they prefer penny loafers. My answer has always been, they're like 1 and 1A. You just go with the one that you like. Personally, I prefer tassel loafers because I like the visual interest that the tassels provide. I just always felt like penny loafers look more old manish to me. But one of the homies who I'm really cool with is actually from France. He feels the opposite. He feels tassel loafers look older than penny loafers. So what we're going to do today, we're going to unbox and try on 2 pairs of loafers. 1 pair of tassel loafers and 1 pair of penny loafers. I'll let you guys decide. Let's go. If you want to kill it in 2025, I have a free training called Dress to Impress. We talk about fall and winter menswear because you definitely have to dress for the season. We talk about the best shoes to wear for any occasion. And we also talk about accessories because a lot of guys either overdo it or they don't really use accessories to their benefit. The link will be somewhere in the description. Click on that if you want to attend the next one. Once again, it's free. Now back to the video. So the first one that we're going to start with is the Tassel loafer. These shoes are for a brand named Mergvis. My first time speaking about them on the channel. They are designed in Stockholm, as it says on the box, and handcrafted in Portugal. Let's look at the box. So the model is the Mole 2 or Mole 2. I'm not 100% sure. Material, black suede. They come with leather soles. The last is number 22. And of course my size, which is a UK 7. Now let's take a look at the shoes. It's a really nice presentation. And the shoes come in 2 shoe bags. Has the Sweden logo, or should I say the Sweden flag on there. All right, let's get them out. And these are the shoes right here, man. Like I said, man, I'm a huge fan of Tassel loafers. This is my first pair of black suede Tassel loafers. The other ones that I have are in brown suede. And this is a really beautiful shoe. As you can see, this would go perfect with the black suit that I've unboxed last week. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it somewhere up here. I'll also include it in the description. But yeah, Tassel loafers are beautiful. Like I said, I really like the tassels. I just feel like they provide some visual interest. Also makes them a bit more casual in my view. These shoes come with a leather sole, and this is my usual UK7. The last on these is the last number 22, and that's an almond-shaped last in a standard fit. And this last fits my feet extremely well. When you wear in Oxfords, you have the laces there, so they can cover a lot of sins as far as fit, but you don't get that benefit when it comes to loafers. So these are an extremely good fit for my feet. For those of you who don't know, I have a high instep as well as flat feet, which is not really a common condition or a common shape, if you will. So I'm always skeptical when it comes to loafers especially, but I had no problem with those whatsoever. Those fit me great. Now, how do I plan on wearing these shoes? With everything. You know, black goes with everything, but especially with my black suit, because when it comes to black suits, you want to wear them with black shoes, but I'm going to be wearing them with everything, every single thing. These are great. Now, let's look at the other pair. So this is the second one. The name of the model is the Stan Hammer 2, and these are in dark brown suede. The sole is an urban sole, so it's like a rubber sole instead of a leather sole like my last pair. The last is the 19, and of course my size UK7. Let's take a look inside. So just like the other one, of course it comes with 2 shoe bags, but with this one, they didn't put the shoes inside of the shoe bag. So I just left it exactly the way that I received it. So yeah, man, these are your penny loafers right here. And the reason why they call them penny loafers is because a lot of guys, I don't know how it started, but they would put a penny like right in here. Some guys would put a dime, but they're not called dime loafers. But yeah, so these are your penny loafers. The last, as I was saying, is a number 19. The difference with the last is this one is more round, where the other one was more almond. And this one is also wider. Actually, let's show them side by side so you can see the difference. Once again, this is last number 19, and this is last number 22. You can definitely see how this one is a little bit pointier, where this one is rounder. One thing that I love about Mergvist, besides them making nice shoes, is their sizes range from a UK 4 all the way up to a UK 14, which is really good because a lot of time I would do an unboxing and guys in the comments would tell me where I wear a UK 13 or UK 12. Most shoes, they usually cap it around a UK 11 or UK 12. As far as the price, they're all the same, which is $339, which to me is a really, really good price for what you're getting. Back to the penny loafers. This is a dark brown suede, so a more common suede that guys are used to seeing. And of course, as I was saying, this is their rubber sole called the Urban. One thing I forgot to mention before with the previous pair, it's a leather sole, but it comes with open channel soles. Typically, with my shoes that I unbox, it's always a closed channel where you can't see the stitching. But with this one, it's open channel where you can actually see the stitching. But these are all Goodyear welted. And this one doesn't fit me as nicely as the last 22. But the penny loafers don't come in any other last but the last 19. It's not a bad fit, it's just that my feet aren't necessarily wide, although I do have flat feet, which sometimes can give it the appearance that they're wide when they're actually not. So because of that, it kind of gapes on the side a little bit, but it's still a decent fit. It's just that it's not as good as the number 22 last. Now I did get this in a rubber sole, but they also have it available in a leather sole if that's what you prefer. I just wanted to have one of each just to see the way they feel. I prefer leather soles, but a lot of times when I'm buying my more casual shoes, I would get them in a rubber sole, which is what I did there with the penny loafers. So how did this collaboration come about? Well, the guys at Mergvist got a hold of me on Instagram and asked me if I'd be interested to review one of their shoes. And to be 100% transparent, I did not pay for these shoes. Those were provided for free for me to review them for you guys. But everything that you've heard is 100% my thought. Mercvids did not get an advanced copy of these videos, so they're just seeing it now the same time as you. Now, how do I plan on wearing this one? Same exact way as the other one. Only difference is I won't be able to wear this with my black suit. But this should go with pretty much every suit that I have. Every casual suit, that is. I don't plan on wearing it with more of my serious suits. Those are reserved only for Oxfords. But like I said, 90% of my suits are some kind of seasonal, more business casual suit. And this is when I plan on wearing these, or definitely when I'm doing business casual, you know, especially when I'm doing business casual, I should say. Because typically when I'm in a suit, I do prefer to wear Oxfords, although sometimes, like I said, I do wear loafers. But when I'm wearing business casual, which is like an out trouser and a sport coat, or with a polo shirt like what I'm wearing right now, this would be a great look to go with that. Both of them, actually. So this is exactly how I plan on wearing these. Now, which one do I like better? Penny loafers or the tassel loafers? I still gotta go with the tassel loafers. Part of it is because the fit is better, but nothing really changes as far as how I feel. The only difference is now I'm definitely going to be wearing penny loafers where I've never had one before. But when I look at the two of them, I still prefer the look of the tassel loafers, but this is strictly, 100% strictly preference. You know, don't feel like I'm saying one is better than the other. It just, to my eyes, aesthetically, I prefer the way that the tassel loafers look. But let me know in the comments, man. Are you more of a tassel loafer guy, or are you more of a penny loafer guy? Or is there like another type of loafer that you like? Because I do have another loafer. It's not tassels, but it's very similar. I forgot exactly what that style is called, but I did unbox it a few years ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it somewhere up here. I'll also include it in the description. So yeah, man, that was my video on is it cool to wear loafers with suits? So let me know in the comments how you feel about Mercvids and whether or not you prefer penny loafers or tassel loafers. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, or everybody gonna think that you a hater. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.